Hey everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're going to unbox and take our first look at the SoundMAGIC P22BT headphones. These are portable and wireless headphones from SoundMAGIC. So a massive thank you to them. So let's get into the unboxing and first impressions. So they're black in colour, as you can see. They're from hifiheadphones.co.uk. The link will be in the description. Here in the UK, they cost $39.99. They're portable headphones with a compelling sound and wireless Bluetooth connectability, which I think is awesome. So on the front here, we have a bit of information. You do have a QR code, you have SoundMAGIC, and then it's from their portable line. So down here at the bottom, we have a bit of information. So it says Bluetooth version 4.1 offers a low power consumption and more stable data transmission, powerful bass, clear sound and wide soundstage. They're light, comfortable, foldable design for portable use. That's be great, so I can test these out on the road when I'm going to different events. Used as wired headphones with a dedicated cable, which is also great, and you get up to 19 hours of battery operation from these headphones, and they're NFC for easy connection. So on the side here, we just have a bit more information. You can see the foldable cup design there, and also then you've got your Bluetooth and NFC. So on the back here, you have all different information in multiple different languages, which is nice. Then down here it just shows you what accessories will be inside, but we're going to crack the box open shortly. Then on the other side here, there's just maintenance and care for your headphones, so you keep them in the best possible way. Then we're back round to the front, so let's cut open the top and then we can actually get into these headphones. Once inside, just pull these out here. So inside, first of all, you're going to find your information booklet here, which is going to have all your different information. Again, you get another QR code there about talking about how to set up your headphones. Then you have your headphones itself. So they're nice and lightweight. They're 85 grams. And as you can see here with a foldable design, which is ideal for transporting them around. You've got nice cup size there as well. Pull these down, pull them around. So they have a metal frame as well, so they're durable. There's a nice soft undercoating here as well. Also on the side, you have a button control system, which looks really good. Nice big buttons as well. As you know, being visually impaired, that's really key for me to know that they're there. On the other side, you've just got a bit of information here. So you've got SoundMAGIC and then the P22BT and the NFC logo there. You will find a cable for charging. So you have a micro USB to USB here for charging your headphones, which is great. You have a carry case, which is really nice. So a nice carry case that's a nice velvet inside that will protect your headphones, again, when you're on the go. Then finally, you have a cable under here that connects your headphones to your device, and then obviously with some devices you will need to add a dongle, but it's nice that you could choose to use the cable, or you could use the connectability and the portability of wireless there as well to listen to your music. To enable high fidelity sound, the drivers of the P22BT have been tuned for a dark and warm sound, contributing on a deep and pleasing bass response with a balanced mid-range, a distinct instrumental separation. It has a great feat of engineering of SoundMAGIC to achieve great sound quality but for affordable prices, and a great design here. I do like the design and I can't wait to test these out. These are the first sort of cup-sized headphones that I have actually used on the channel. So what I'm going to do is just twist these back around. We're going to get a device, so we're going to use my iPad here to start off with as my phone is recording. So just bring in my iPad here. So I want to give you some specs as well just before we carry on. The driver inside is a dynamic 40mm neodymium driver. Frequency range is 30 Hz to 20 kHz. Weight is 85 grams. The range is 13 meters, and I'll be testing that out in my review. So I'm looking forward to testing that out there. The music playback time is 18 to 20 hours, depending on what you're listening and also the volume and the quality. Talk time with these headphones is 13 to 15 hours, so you can use these for connectability through your phone. Standby time is staggering at 640 hours, and audio output is CD quality. So I'm looking forward to setting these up. So first of all, if we turn around to the side here, I just want to point out as well, you have a nice big L here, and then a nice big right here, so you should know where they go on your head. Press and hold in the middle button here, the blue button, it says power on that I heard there. So what I'm going to do now, it's in the pairing mode there, the flashing blue lights. So I'm going to jump into Bluetooth. So into Bluetooth, and then we're going to see the P22 here, BT. Right, so I heard inside there it says connected, and then we're ready to go. So now if I go into my iTunes library. So one track I really like at the moment is Blue Lights. So I'm going to play Blue Lights, and they're coming through the headphones already. So on the side here, you have the options of volume up. You have pause and play in the middle, which is nice, and then you have skip either side, then you press and hold for power off. So then you can also use these with Siri. You can also use them with Google with an Android device as well, so please always bear that in mind. If you double tap the middle button, then Siri will come up. Press again to talk to Siri. So what is the weather today? Press again and that'll take us back there, which is awesome. So a couple other things I just want to point out as well. Here is your connection cable to your headphones, so you can listen through wire. Then if you actually lift this down, swivel it around, you'll see here a little door that you can open up with a fingernail. This is where you plug in to recharge your headphones as well. If you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. A review video will come of these where I'll do a proper in-depth sound quality test and see how well they do with both Android and iOS. If you do have any questions or queries, always drop a comment down below. Massive thank you to SoundMAGIC for sending out these P22BT wireless portable headphones. Please give them a like and the video a like, as it does help. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and ring that little bell to stay updated. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.